Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to share with you a miraculous face mask which is beneficial especially if you are dealing with an oily skin type. So without wasting much time, let's get started. To make this pack, take a small cup and add half a teaspoon of sandalwood powder, half a teaspoon of Fuller's Earth powder, half a teaspoon of tomato juice, and half a teaspoon of rose water. Mix it very well so that everything is combined well. Then place this mixture in the fridge for a few minutes and then apply the cold pack on your face and leave it to dry. After which, you can wipe off the pack with a cotton pad dipped in ice cold water and say goodbye to all the excess dirt and oil, as this pack acts as an anti-pollution face mask which gives a glowing and blemish-free skin when used regularly. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, then please hit like, share and subscribe for more updates. Thank you for watching.